Hi, I'm Hannah Martin.
And I'm Emily Martin.
With more science news you can use. Did you know astronauts' bodies change in space?
Well, my body always changes on Earth.
Right, but in space, changes are more dramatic. For example, fluids in your body move into your upper body, so astronauts' faces look puffy.
Really? What else happens?
Astronauts grow 1 to 2 inches in space because fluids in the spine cause the bones to separate just a little bit.
Wow, I would be as tall as you are.
Astronauts exercise 1 to 2 hours a day in space. This keeps their heart and muscles strong because they don't use many muscles when they float.
What about the brain? Does it change too?
To find out how the brain and body adapt to these changes, check out our website. Until next time, I'm Hannah Martin.
And I'm Emily Martin.
With cool science news you can use.